Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can edit a PDF file on your laptop. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the target PDF file on your laptop. You will notice that you are unable to edit the content directly in the PDF viewer. Next, go to the search menu at the bottom of your screen, search for Word and open Microsoft Word. Once Word is open, click and drag the target PDF file into the Word window. A dialog box will appear asking you if you want to convert the PDF file to an editable Word document. Click on OK. Word will convert the PDF and open it as a new document. You might see another prompt asking you to enable editing. Click on the Enable Editing button and then click on OK again. Now, you can edit the PDF in any way you like using Word's editing tools. Make the necessary changes to the document. Once you have finished editing, click on the File tab at the top left corner of the Word window. Select Save As from the menu. Then, click on Browse to choose the destination where you want to save the edited file. Give the file a new name and choose the format as either Word or PDF. Finally, click on Save. So that's basically how you can edit a PDF file on your laptop. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.